Alright, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send voice campaigns. Voice campaigns are automatic dialing from CRM messaging. So basically, automatically your viewers will, your list of contacts will receive calls and it will say the same text that you write. The same audio that you want to send out to a list of people, you can use voice campaigns for that. So with the number that we have purchased in previous calls, so using the same numbers, you can start making voice calls. So make sure that from whatever number you are sending voice calls, in the phone number should be enabled for voice. So we will be using this number, and this number is enabled for voice. So we will use this number to send voice campaigns. Go to campaigns, go to voice campaigns, click on create campaign, new upcoming event notifications. You select your voice campaign number, select the recipients. So here you can send voice campaigns in two ways. So either you can write your text, whatever you want to send to that user, or you can choose audio file and send. That's how you can send it. So I'll just choose text to speech and this person's language to say, and you will use the use a template, or you can just write a message. I name this is the upcoming event notification. Attend this can it on with you. So this will say this one. So I'll send this. You can schedule this also. Now this is executed and we can see that the campaign call is made. I am receiving the call over here on top. So I'll just pick up the call.